Descriptive statistics is the branch of statistics that deals with the summarization, presentation, and interpretation of data. It is used to describe and understand the features of a given dataset. There are several ways to summarize and present data using descriptive statistics. One of the most common is through measures of central tendency, such as the mean, median, and mode. The mean is the average of all the values in a dataset. The median is the middle value when the data is arranged in order, and the mode is the most frequently occurring value. Another way to present data is through measures of dispersion, such as the range, variance, and standard deviation. The range is the difference between the highest and lowest values in a dataset. The variance measures how spread out the data is, and the standard deviation is a measure of how much the data varies from the mean. Descriptive statistics also include graphical methods of representation like histograms, bar charts, scatter plots, etc. These methods help to visualize the data and understand the distribution of values in a dataset. It's important to note that descriptive statistics only provide a summary of the data. They don't allow us to make inferences about a population based on a sample. In conclusion, descriptive statistics is the branch of statistics that deals with the summarization, presentation, and interpretation of data. It involves the use of measures of central tendency like mean, median, and mode, as well as measures of dispersion like range, variance, and standard deviation. It also includes graphical methods of representation to help visualize the data and understand the distribution of values in a dataset. Thanks for watching our latest episode of Statistics in 2 Minutes. We hope you enjoyed learning about descriptive statistics. Remember, by subscribing to our channel you are not only gaining access to cutting-edge AI knowledge but also supporting a community of AI enthusiasts. Imagine a world where every time you hit the subscribe button, a robot gets its wings, or a neural network learns a new trick. Help us make that world a reality. So hit that subscribe button and don't forget to ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on any of our AI-inspiring episodes. See you in the next one.